What's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. And today, bro, I just got, all right, let me even get myself right. All right. Okay. Question, which I tend to do that a lot. If we took away Jordan Retros 1 through, let's say 14, right? Because let's just be honest, 1 through 14 are really the ones those are only the ones that really matter. Now, when you get up to the 19s and things like that, then okay, 19s, some people still rock with them. They rock with them heavy. I kind of do, but 1 through 14, we'll stick with that. Let's take those 14, the first 14 away. Just get them out of here. What would Jordan brand be without those retros? 1 through 14. And I only ask that question because any other Jordan brand product, not within 1 through 14, right? Let's say the Team Jordans, all the ones that are in the stores now where, people call Jordan nothings or them things or whatever, right? And again, I know they're just sneakers, but what I'm saying is 1 through 14 was removed from the Jordan brand catalog. What would Jordan brand be without those shoes? We got Russell Westbrook with the whatever his Jordans were. We got Jason Tatum. We got Zion. Who else? Luka. Even go back, we had, who else had to? But we can't really say Melo because Melo really had, he was with Jordan brand, but he got rocked, the retros and made them, But far as like Jordan brand as a whole, right? What would they be without 1 through 14? Would we be as hyped for Jordan sneakers if we didn't have that 1 through 14? Do those really hold that much weight? Or is it just a design thing? Because I've seen some, and y'all gonna kill me for this, I know, but I've seen some non-retro, non-numbered Jordans or Jordan brand sneakers, if we want to call it that, right? That are comfortable, which we can't really say about 1 through 14. The design was dope. I can't even remember which one they were, but I know as a sneakerhead, I had to avert my eyes real quick because I'm like, yeah, bro, I can't do that. Not that I care what other people think, but my brain is just conditioned to, if it's not a 1 through 14 or later on in the year, like the 32s, 33s, something like that, those for basketball, right? Just wasn't really doing it. Now I got some Jordan brand golf shoes that I haven't even worn yet, but that's beside the point. And they're not a retro, they're just a Jordan golf shoe. I mean, they have the cement pattern on the back with I haven't worn them yet because I haven't went to play any golf, but I just had that question, man. What would Jordan brand be without 1 through 14 in the catalog? Like, what would it be? Will we be hyped for 15 through whatever? Are we just really hyped for these because they are MJ? If that's the case, you got the Jumpman on these other sneakers. So I know where I'm at with it. I just want to know where y'all at with it. What would it be? We ain't doing much today with this, bruh. But I know it's like Jordan 1s, the high OGs, and mids. It's that same discussion. Like, some people are ultra disgusted with the mids, but I love a high OG. When we all know realistically, the first ones was kind of in the mid game. So Is it the quality on the mids that we don't like? Is it that stiff ass tongue that we got on the mids to why people don't like them? I don't know. I don't know. I had that question and I thought that I should pose it to everybody who will watch this video. Please comment below. Let me know if I'm off my nut. Pause. Off my rocker. There you go. And let me know, what would Jordan brand be without 1 through 14? Or does it even matter? Would you, if those shoes didn't exist, would you wear some of these Team Jordan or Jordan brand lifestyle sneakers that are dropping right now? Just because of the jump, man, or your affinity for Michael Jordan, period. Or you just go comfort over everything. Let me know down in the comments, man. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bells too, with the, just so you be the first to get the videos whenever we drop stuff here on the set. I'm your boy Money Matt. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. I might have something important to do. I don't know. Probably not though, but I'm gone, man. Peace.